how to group video call on Telegram. If you want to place a group video call on Telegram, it is very simple. But the group must have allowed a video call, or if you're an admin of a certain group, you can also place a video call within that particular group. But if the group has not allowed a video call and you're just a member, in that case you'll not be able to place a video call. Now in this case, I'll simply go ahead and select a certain group that I am an admin of. Once done, I can simply go ahead and then tap on the group profile. Now right over there, once I tap on group profile, I can tap the three dots option. Then there you can see the option called start video chat. So I can tap on start video chat, tap on start, and all the members will get notified where I can go ahead and simply start the video chat as well. I can even enable the camera. So I hope that this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in our next video.